Looping music on TikTok is the secret ingredient to making your videos more engaging and memorable. When a song loops seamlessly, it encourages viewers to watch again and again, boosting your chances of going viral. But how do you master the art of looping music on TikTok? Let's break it down. First, choose the right track. Not every song lends itself to a perfect loop, so listen for catchy sections that start and end with similar beats or melodies. Once you've picked your song, head into the TikTok app and tap the Add Sound button to select your track. Use the trimming tool to pinpoint the exact segment you want to feature. Pro tip: select a section of the song where the beat or lyric naturally flows back to the beginning. It'll make your loop feel flawless. Next, sync your video with the music. Record or upload your video, making sure your visual content matches the rhythm and mood of the audio clip. Utilize TikTok's editing tools to align your video's ending with the start of the music segment. This way, when your TikTok replays, both the audio and visuals loop smoothly, creating that satisfying continuous effect viewers love. Now preview your video. Watch it several times to ensure the loop feels natural. If there's a noticeable jump in the music, adjust your trim points or try a different section of the song. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes the most unexpected edits create the best loops. Finally, post your video and see the magic happen. Encourage viewers to rewatch and share, amplifying your reach. And if you ever need a boost in engagement or want to reach a wider audience, Famety is here to help with likes, followers, and shares. Take your TikTok game to the next level, one perfect loop at a time.